Okay, now we do the brightness. Our brightness very simple to do because we just use the brightness. How say we add a value to it, then we'll do already. Yeah, very simple. So for our brightness, okay, same thing. Right click, create, create shader graph URP lead. So we write as a brightness. Okay. Double click your brightness here. Okay, same thing, we wanted to have an image, so we're using the texture 2D. Okay, we add an image here. Okay, to do the brightness, we look at the formula. The brightness is the O value plus the brightness. So we need to have a value which is brightness. Sorry, we need to have a value brightness, so we're using a float here. Okay, so this one to represent our brightness. So in our graph setting here, we rename letter. Okay, we convert it to property, and then we rename our float here. Okay, we rename, you can click this one or you can click this one. Then we write it as a brightness. Brightness. Okay, when you press enter, it will be modified. This one. Okay, done. So for our brightness, so we need to use the add button because our formula says the O value plus brightness. So we are using the add here. So we using the RGB add. The second one, we add our brightness value here. So we connected to this. Okay, so you can put the value here. You can put 0 0.1, okay, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, so save your brightness. Save your brightness. Okay, so now this is your threshold. Okay, sorry, this is your brightness. Okay, brightness. Right click, create material, and then you can have a brightness. Okay, your brightness. Okay, if you want to change the texture, same thing for your brightness. You need to have the texture 2D set here. Texture 2D asset here, same thing, right click, convert to property, and connect it to here, save it. Okay, so now this is your brightness. You can put the image here. Okay, and this is your brightness outcome. Okay, for your brightness, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 5, 6, 7 here.